At dahil sa napakataas ng inyong loyalty at dedikasyon sa Kanya, hindi po kayo magsasabi ng kahit na anong ikakapahamak niya. Tama po ba o mali?
Tama po.
At kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling, magsisinungaling kayo, mailigtas nyo lamang siya.
Hindi po.
Tama po o mali?
Hindi po.
Because you are loyal and dedicated to the former president.
Wala
At
namang...
kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling to save the former president, gagawin nyo rin pong magsinungaling. Tama po o mali? Tama. Because you graded your loyalty and dedication by 10. At kung kailangan nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas lamang ang dating Pangulo, gagawin nyo din po ba yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
See? Kung kaya nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas ang dating Pangulo, the more reason na kaya nyong magsinungaling, mailigtas lang ang dating Pangulo.
Alam mo, halatang-halata ka.
Sorry po yun.
Pine-preempt mo na yung tanong ko. Masyado ka na dumedepensa. Ibig sabihin, alam mo na doon patungo yung aking tanong. Sinasagot
Sorry po,
mo
Your
agad. Dahil sa ginawa mo, hindi ko na tatanungin yun. Kasi alam mo na eh, na yun ang itatanong ko eh.
Sorry po, Your Honor.
Hindi, you don't have to say sorry. Pero kasi, alam mo, ganyan lang ano eh, yung... Kapag malalim yung pagsisinungaling mo, alam mo na kung ano isasagot mo. Di ba?
Mr. Buenaventura, may mga babanggitin pa rin po akong pangalan dito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nakikilala niyo po ba si Chris Lanay?
Chris Lanay. Hindi ko makuha, Your Honor.
Si Andong?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Si Jopet?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Si Alvin Laod?
Pulis din yun, Your Honor.
Alias Boboy Maldito?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Alejandro Casas alias Toothpick?
Yung bata ni Juan yun, Your Honor, ni Las Cañas.
Si Boy Pondoyo alias Boy Chacha?
Sa City Hall po yun, Your Honor.
Alias Inchik?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Jerry Troso?
City Hall po, Your Honor.
De La Serna Brothers?
Hindi ko
Sina
kilala.
Ayan, Yoyin at Jongjong?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Duhilag Brothers na may pangalang Roland, Yanyan, Alan at Valentin?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Ayon po sa ating mga source, Mr. Buenaventura, ang mga nabanggit pong pangalan ay mga miyembro ng Davao Death Squad. At ito po ay ayon kay Arturo Las Cañas. Ano pong masasabi nyo rito?
Yan po ang sabi ni Las Cañas, Your Honor. Dahil sila, nasa heinous crime sila. Ako, security driver lang po ako.
Do you confirm that Davao Death Squad exists?
Yun sa newspaper, sa media.
Do you know Arturo Las Cañas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know Jose Basilio?
No, Your Honor.
Las Cañas, Basilio, and Matobato. All of them are members of DDS, Davao Death Squad, and they are identifying you bilang taong dinadaanan ng mga orders ni Mayor Duterte. Ano pong masasabi nyo dito?
Ganito po yun, Your Honor. Heinous crime headed by Colonel Makasait. Si Colonel Makasait, SPO4 lang ako. Dati SPO3 pa. SPO3 pa ako. Kung ako mag-order sa kanila, Your Honor, Colonel Makasait, bumidal police officer na Davao City, maniwala sa akin yun? Maniwala sa akin yun si Colonel Makasait?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Akop.
maniniwala sa iyo
No.
kasi ikaw ang palaging kasama ng mayor.
Pero hindi
Pero
ako...
naman talaga, di ba?
Yes, sir.
galing ako sa
As
service,
driver,
alam ko yan
as driver security, Your Honor.
Hindi,
Driver
pero
security lang po ako.
Pero kung may iutos yung mayor sa iyo, iisipin nung kakausapin mo, galing kay mayor talaga yan. Di ba?
Wala mang giutos sa akin na ganyan, Mayor.
Iba yung sagot mo
sorry.
kanina.
Your Honor.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi kung may iniutos sa iyo.
Yeah.
Pero yung sinabi mo na hindi pwedeng sumunod si Major Makasait sa iyo, susunod yun dahil ikaw ay driver bodyguard ni Mayor. Kalakaran yun, di ba? Maski naman sa serbisyo, ganun eh. Di ba? Pares tayong galing sa serbisyo, kaya alam ko yan. Kaya huwag mong sagutin si Honorable Luis Ron ng ganun. Ang tamang sagot mo, hindi naman ako inutusan ni Mayor. Di ba? Mr. Buenaventura?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Buenaventura, sino po si Superman? Hindi nyo rin po ba alam?
Yun ang call sign ni Mayor. Doon may radyo pa kami. Superman.
At least you confirm
Yes, Your Honor.
that Superman is Mayor Duterte.
Yun ang call sign niya sa radio.
Yes, and he is actually called Superman by DDS. Do you confirm that?
I do not know, ma'am. I do not know.
Hindi
Sa
niyo
amin
po
lang yun,
alam?
ma'am, sa radio. Sa radio, ma'am. Yan ang call sign niya sa radio. Sa amin yun.
Everybody in DDS call Mayor Duterte as Superman.
Sino pong DDS, ma'am?
Mr. Buenaventura,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you not confirming to the Quadcom the existence of the Davao Death Squad?
Narinig ko lang yan, ma'am, dahil ang nagbigay ng pangalan yan is media.
Did you watch the Senate investigation where the President appeared?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you watch him confirm that there is Davao Death Squad?
Siya po, Your Honor.
Yes,
Siya po ang may sabi.
did you watch him confirm?
Yes.
Napanood niyo po ba yon?
Yes.
And napanood niyo din po bang sinabi niya na si Senator Bato ay kasama doon sa Davao Death Squad?
Narinig ko po, Your Honor.
And of course, you've heard already that Las Cañas is also confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Sa kanya, si Arturo Las Cañas po ang may sabi din sa kanya.
Yes, and even Matobato is confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Matubato. Yes, Your Honor.
And even Jose Basilio is confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Basilio, I do not know Basilio, Your Honor.
But of all the names that I have mentioned, I hope you realize that the President himself confirms the existence of the Davao Death Squad, and you are denying the Davao Death Squad.
I did not, Your Honor. Narinig ko lang, Your Honor. I am not answerable for Presidente, Your Honor.
Yes, but you are with the President since 1988 to 2008,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I am inclined to believe that you know almost all the activities of the President. Tama po ba ako?
Hindi lahat.
And when the President say that he confirms that there is the Davao Death Squad, then it means that there is really the Davao Death Squad. And if you deny that, then somebody is telling a lie. If the President confirms this already, I do not understand why you keep on denying the Davao Death Squad.
Sa akin po, Your Honor, narinig ko lang. So, kung nagsabi ang Presidente, narinig ko sa kanya.
Before I end my interpellation, Mr. Chair, may I request the Secretariat to please flash the two pictures of the President with Mr. Buenaventura. Can we have the two pictures, Secretariat, please? This is only to bolster the fact that Mr. Buenaventura has been with the President since 1988 up to 2008. And for 20 years that he was working with President Duterte, then Mayor Duterte of Davao City. I wish to submit, Mr. Chair, that he is aware of all the activities then of Mayor Duterte. Secretariat. For my last question, Mr. Buenaventura, ang sabi niyo po kanina, mabait si Mayor Duterte. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung ibabalik ko po yung inyong nakaraan and if you will be given the choice, sino pong gusto nyong maging principal nyo ulit? Si Mayor Duterte po ba ulit?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's how you admire, idolize, respect, and care for the former president. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in the scale of 1 to 10, Mr. Buenaventura, if we will be assessing your loyalty and dedication to the former president, paano nyo ho ba gradean yung level ng loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa former president?
10.
1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest.
10.
And with a grade of 10, you will not say anything that will harm the president, yes or no?
Sorry, ma'am.
And with a grade of 10, ibig sabihin, yun po ang pinakamataas na loyalty at dedication na ibinibigay nyo sa president, you will not say anything that will harm the president.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
To the extent that you will make misrepresentation to save the president, yes or no?
Sorry po. But what do you mean, Your Honor?
To the extent that you will be making misrepresentation to save the former president. Tama po ba yun? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.